whole take, the N-word, shouldn't be normalized, and the fact that people still use it to bully people is absolutely insane. People need to realize that the N-word is a racist word, and using it won't automatically make them cool. Most of the 4th and 5th grade students at my school actually uses the word and they somehow doesn't get in trouble, and it's mostly the black people saying it, and they say that they can say it because they had the pass, and those type of people are pathetic, saying racist slurs and thinking they're cool and gangster. Anyways, in pulling the plug, sugar swirls out.